Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to go over how to get cash from the CrowdTap website. If you missed my previous video on what CrowdTap actually is, go ahead and click this video link right here and watch that, and if you get excited like I have, you're going to want to watch this video too to learn how to redeem your points for cash. If you're like me and you have a balance over 1,000 points, you can go ahead and redeem for cash. So all you do is, after you've filled out these different surveys, and in the previous video I showed you how to fill out the surveys, how easy they are. As you can see, I have a ton of surveys I haven't done yet, but that's good because all of these will earn me extra points and then I can redeem those points for cash. So once you have over 1,000 points, you can go ahead and click the redeem button, and that'll take you to a new page where you will have to select what it is that you want to redeem for. At the current moment, they only offer 3 different options: gift cards, subscriptions, and charities. But for this video, I'm going to go ahead and redeem for a gift card. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and redeem for this Amazon gift card. It's $5. All you do is you click the little icon here, and then you click redeem. And then you go ahead and check this box saying, I understand that this order is non-refundable and blah, 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 whatever. That's fine. You place the order and that's it. And it'll subtract your points once you refresh the page like this. And there you have it. Now that you've redeemed those points, you'll notice that they are gone from your points. And you can go ahead and continue filling out these surveys. It's really easy to do. You can earn gift cards really quickly. I highly recommend this app, and I hope this video has been helpful, and I will see you guys in the next video.